Hey. How are you all doing on this fine Wednesday? I hope it's fine. Let me organize. Oh, it's a little bit full on the desk. Hey, where's the music now? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So, let me get settled in here. I hope everyone is doing okay. Hello, Dr. Lovebox. Hello. Welcome. I hope you're having a good day so far. Right. I'm a bit tired, I have to confess. I've been working with Blender all day. And what did I do? Oh yeah, I was printing the ball jointed doll also, and the print of her feet failed. The nozzle got clogged, so I had to declog that. And there's no client work today, no UX work today. It's my Wednesday, and that's not UX day. So that's nice. So I can focus on all the good stuff. So what did I do? The day went by so fast. Oh yeah, I did administration. Oh, that's why I forgot. Yeah, I had to do the books. Yeah, but it's done. Working on my model in Blender, starting the body. Cool. Yeah, I saw the face sculpt already in the work in progress on the Discord. Awesome stuff. Amazing stuff. Yeah, I was working on the sculpt also, and I'm actually, there. I think I am. Let me share a little bit. Let's see if I can find it. Hold on. Hold on. One little second. I will. Yes. Right there. Oh no, it's the wrong one. I need the other one. Hold on. Not this one, but that one. There it is. So there she is. So far. So this is a render viewport, of course. So can we see it a little bit? Looks awesome. Thank you. Yeah. It was a pain because hold on. Because the rig messed up her geometry completely. So I had a whole lot of work to do to fix everything, and I'm not rigging her like that ever again. So hold on, I'm trying to animate. Hold on, how many samples do I have in the viewports? 128. Wow. Okay, let's try it like this. No, it doesn't work like that. Hold on. Well, you know, she's on a turntable animation thing, but it needs to render. So yeah, you know. So I'm this is what it is. Backside. The behind. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of it, and I'm also very tired of it because it took a long time. But you know, I learned a lot, and that's the awesome stuff. That's crazy, because I learned that you have to check the normals and the faces, and especially the hair. The normals are flipped here and there, so hopefully that doesn't mess up the render. But it's way too much work to get them flipped, because I just can't select the faces with the normals that are inside out somehow. I have to do it all by hand, and it's a mess. But you know, I learned a lot, and that's all that matters. So here's another peek. If it will render a little bit. So yeah, next step is to render the animation or all the TIFF files and then put it together in Premiere or in Blender Studio. That's yeah, but it'll take a long time because the render per frame will take 1 minute 11, and I will be rendering 250 frames. So yeah, you know, it's gonna take a while. Yeah. So today I was what am I going to do? Yeah, I am going to check this file before I press render. So that's the first thing I'm going to do in this Pomodoro session. I'm going to check everything if there are not layers showing, you know, which don't need to be rendered and all that. And checking the lighting, double checking everything before I press the render button. I'm not going to render it tonight, of course, because it's going to take a long time and then it's boring to see. And after that, I will dive back into the Turbine scene to work on the colors a little bit because, yeah, it's a little bit too green or something, you know. So that's the plan. I hope you are going to have some great progress on the body of your sculpt. And yeah, let's dive in, shall we? Why not? Yeah, let me turn this off and wish you a good first session of the evening, of the day. Let's go. Have fun. I'll see you in 40. Hey. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Dragon Spirit. Welcome, Amerga. Welcome, little cat. She's laying on the mouse mat, of course, so I can't reach anything. So, how are you guys doing? I'm test rendering stuff out before I, Ooh. No, that's my water. Yes. There you go. There you go, little cat. I'm test rendering out and looking very closely if I'm missing stuff. Yeah. Before I press render and my computer will be occupied for, you know, like 16 hours or something. So I'm seeing this little thing in their mouth right there. Ooh, that's not good. Hold on. Okay, it's break time. We should honor the breaks. So how are you guys doing? Amerga, I'm not sure if you're still here, but I figured out the light path stuff. Busy at work. Have a good work day. Doing good, you? Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm a little tired. I'm honest. I'm a little tired, but you know, we have to do this and push through because I want to render out this thing. I want to do it. I want it to be finished so I can move on with the next thing. Yeah. So, good. Nice. Did it do what you want? Yeah, it actually did. And if you like, I can show you. Because that's what I promised. Hold on. Let me see if I can show you for a second. Hold on, guys. So, let me see. So it's really extremely easy. That's awesome. So what you do is you select your light. So I have 3 lights. I'll zoom out here for a second so you can see what I'm talking about. So I have 3 lights right here. And let me get out of sculpt mode for a second. So when I select this light and I go to not the light option, that's tricky, isn't it? But when you go to the object properties and let me just push this in a little bit, and you go to shading tab, there's this light linking thing. There's light groups, but light linking. We're looking for light linking and shadow linking. But in this case, I did the light linking. And the circle where she's standing in, I don't want the lights to hit that. And also, I don't want the lights to hit the smoke base. Oh, actually, there needs to be another smoke base in there. It's really good that I'm checking into this. Because, look, what you do is you just drag. In this case, I want smoke base 001 also not to be affected by the light. So I'm just dropping it in there. And when it's checked, it's affected by the light. And if it's unchecked, it isn't. So that's amazing. So actually, I need to do this for the other lights too, because smoke base 001 is the thing that I added after that, so after the fact. So this and also the other one. So there you go. So we don't want it to be affected by the light, so we're checking them off. And also the flames. Hold on. Flares, what is it? Bloop, like that. And there's one more light I need to do that. So you just go to the lights. Go to the lights. And pull everything in that you want to have a say about it interacting with. So there we go. Now, look, if I do this, then you see what happens in the background. but it still affects the model, but not the background. And that's exactly what I was looking for. So if I just turn this on, let's turn it on for all the circle thing, for all the lights, so you can see what I was oh, what did I do? That's heavy. So that's how it works. So you can see that all the flares in the background, I didn't want that. So hold on. So that actually worked amazingly good, as you can see. This is the example of the lights that's flaring in the background. So now everything is turned off, if I'm correct. Yeah. So if she now turns, she has the lights of the lights on her, but not on the floor. And that's exactly what I wanted, because I wanted to have a cool backdrop without interference of the lights. So that's how it works. It's really easy. I love it. Yeah, I was messing around in the compositing, and I didn't get it to work, and I don't understand that good. I have to learn that. But I'm really happy with the linking option, and thanks for the tip. Thanks for the tip. It was amazing, because now that means that I can proceed. And I don't know why there's something in my screen and it doesn't want to move. Hold on. Why is it there? Okay. Perfect. Okay. We're back. Hey, Diederik. Ahoy, my hearties. Har har. Here we are. Har har. Here we are. So yeah, I'm really happy that that you told me about the light linking option, and it's actually really easy. So yeah, fun stuff, awesome stuff. Let me go back to the this view. So we're in break time. Only 2 minutes left. Let me turn this off so I can see you guys. No. What's going on? Hold on. This one. Boop. There we go. Hi. Hi. I was just sharing the screen because I wanted to explain to Amerga and to anyone who is interested in how light linking works in Blender 4.0, because I just figured that out today and I wanted it to share with you. Yes, so I'm really happy because that means when I'm finally done with tweaking everything and hopefully rendering out correct correct files to make a nice animation, turntable animation, that means then that this sculpt will finally be done. It has been a minute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but you know, I'm really proud of it. For the first time, and I learned a lot. Will it be 3D printed? I'm not sure. Maybe that's interesting to figure out, but I'm not sure, because I know that the topology is a mess because the rigging that I did to Poser messed up her mesh really bad, and I can't fix that. I fixed it so you won't see it, but I'm not sure what that may result in the 3D printing. I'm not sure how that works. Maybe I should sculpt something new and then with a nice mesh, everything okay, because this one, you know, the normals are flipped here and there and I can't get it right, you know, but I'm calling it done. It looks cool. It's fine, and I want to move on to the next project. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can try, but yeah. Our first priority is moving on with Blender. So yeah, maybe there's a day that I think like, let's try and throw her on the 3D printer. I'm not sure if that will work. I have no idea. Maybe. Yeah, so that was break number 1. Dirk, are you working today? Are you having fun? How to repair with the 3D builder? Have you tried to how to repair it with 3D builder? I don't know what 3D builder is. Is that in Blender? Actually, I'm not sure. Yes, learning again. Oh gosh. Good luck with learning. Good luck with learning. So, I don't know how to repair a 3D builder. I don't know. Yeah, the mesh got all twisted and I had to redo the hands, everything. Redo the hips, redo her right leg. It was awful. But I wanted to finish it, so I did. Yeah. So with that said, it's an outside app, but it does miracles for 3D printing. Oh, so it's 3D Builder. Okay, I'm grabbing the pen again because I'm writing that down again. You are full with good ideas, Amerga. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So, 3D Builder. I'm going to check that out. Maybe I can just plug her in there and then miraculously she will turn up in my 3D printer. RESTful APIs, backend, front-end stuff I need to update. Oh my gosh, yeah, RESTful. That's a long time ago that I messed around with those things. I don't know anything about it anymore. Yeah, it all slipped my mind. Have a great study session. Not even joking, it may work like that, really. Whoa. Well, it would be awesome if I could just hold her in my hand. That would be amazing. Well, you know, I think I'm going to try that out. Okay, I'll keep you posted about that, okay? It sounds really cool. Okay, let's dive into the next session, guys. I will be working on the turbine scene next. Because I want to work on the colors a little bit because I'm not happy with the colors yet. Okay, so say goodbye to this little Huntress lady. I will save that and then I'll dive into the turbine scene and move on with that. So have a great session, guys, and I'll see you in 40 minutes. Have a good one. Hey. So, how's everyone doing? Yes, I think this one is done too. I did a little bit of tweaking. Hold on. Oh, that's big. Hold on. Move it to the side a little, like that. So yeah, I think I have it. I think it's good enough. And then we'll see what Max does in Photoshop, because he is actually pulling it into Photoshop after this render. I don't know why. I don't know what. So, 2 projects finished in 1 day. That's not how it should be. Let's say I'm done with this. No, I'm done with this. I love to do this, and I just want to move on with the next. I have a lot of things I want to learn and want to try out, and also try out my own stuff, because this is of course a tutorial I'm following along, putting my own twist on it, I must say, but I think that's the point. I'm not using his assets, for example. I'm making all the stuff myself because I want to learn. So I'm not kit bashing. That's why stuff takes so long. Looks fantastic. Oh, thank you, Virgo. I finally figured out how to determine if it's underexposed or overexposed. I love the what is it? It's over here. Hold on. Oh, other mouse. So it's the color space, and then the view transform, and then the false color. With that thing, hold on, I'll scooch it over again. And you can see what is underexposed, black, and overexposed, white. So it's yellow and green, so that's fine. But if I turn up the exposure, you can see what happens. So now it's getting into the red and then the white. So when I go back to this, it's way too bright. So this is a really nice way to have a little bit of a confident feeling about the exposure. So we don't want a lot of black, and we do not want a lot of white. So I was like here somewhere. This was it. So if I now turn back to the settings, then it's good. Because I was wondering how to determine, because you know everyone has another display, another monitor, screen, whatever. And other settings and everything. So yeah, I always find it hard to determine what the color and the brightness should be. So kit bashing and add-ons are useful after you've understand how to do it yourself. Exactly. Yeah. If you understood how to, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. And I really want to learn, and I really enjoy it, so why not, you know? That's what I'm here for. And kit bashing is fine. If anyone loves to do that, it's awesome. I mean, you know, like Kit Bash 3D, was it? The website with all those awesome stuff. You know, I can imagine that just making scenes with all those cool stuff is an awesome way to go too, of course. But for me, I just want to learn how to model stuff. And I can imagine that in the future I will be kit bashing too. Why not? And if there's stuff missing that I need to add to the scene, I can then model it myself, or sculpt it for that matter. So yeah, isn't your tablet color calibrated? Yeah, I don't know. It's a Wacom one. It's the most low cost Wacom there is. Screen Wacom. So no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I have an LG curved monitor, and that's a gaming monitor, and gaming monitors are known for puffing up the color, so making it more fancy and bright for all the games, of course. And then when I look at my Wacom, it's really, yeah, I don't know. It's not I don't think it's the best screen in there. And then I have a BenQ on the side because it's an old model. It's an what is it? A PT 2420 and something like that. And that thing is known for its sRGB color space for photographers. It's a really cheap monitor. Yeah, cheap monitor if you compare it to all the other awesome curved gaming things. It's like 200 euros or something. So that one I use to look at the renders at. So yeah, so that's it's always hard. It's always hard to. I used to have a spider, you know, it's a spider you put on your screen and then you can calibrate your monitor. That was way back, like 10 years ago or something, maybe 15 years ago even. Because I was doing graphics design stuff, and that needed to go to the printers. And then I had to be kind of sure. Yeah, you know, you can use Pantone. I don't know what it's called in English, colors and all that, and hex colors and all that stuff. But I used to calibrate my monitors like that. But I don't have the spider anymore. It's really old. I don't know if that still works, if that is still a thing, but yeah, you know, whatever, it's fine. I think I'm getting there. Just swooping the render around through all the screens, look if it's okay in all the screens, sending it to my phone, looking on there to see if it's okay. Yeah, so I don't know how to go about that, so I just do it like that. So I used to have a cheap Acer monitor I bought. Never had to buy one, but I have a friend who's working in the paper printing industry and he has one. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Yeah. A spider. It was called a spider or something, yeah. I wonder if I still have it somewhere. But it's really old. I can't imagine that it's still works for the screens and everything for this day and age. I don't know, but you know, I think it's. I'm looking at the colors of the BenQ because that thing is known for its color space. So that's. Ooh, my screens are going to sleep. So yeah. So that's how I do it. Cost me a few beers and I got my screens are spot on. Yes, nice. Yeah, that's always good. And is that a spider? Like, I remember that it's really called a spider with a Y. I don't know what brand it was. Spider color calibration. Does it still exist? Actually, oh yeah, data color spider. Still have that. Ooh, interesting. Oh no. This is going to cost me money. Maybe I can find one on Craigslist or in Dutch Marktplaats or eBay or something. Maybe I can do that. Woo! Interesting things. Well, you know, on the other hand, it's not for printing, you know? It's not for paper printing, or maybe when in the future I create my own awesome artwork, maybe I can go about selling prints. Ooh. Well, We'll worry about the color space then. I think. Yeah, it's a white thingy that you can put on your screen. Exactly. Yeah, it's a data color. So it's hold on. Data color is the brand. So it's this thing. Deny. So hold on. It's swooping. It's like this thing. Yeah, you put it on your screen and then you can calibrate it. Yes. I can remember this. I have a really old one. Oh gosh. No, click it away. It's gonna cost some money. Selling prints is what I want to do, yeah. Yeah, I was thinking about that too. But I'm not there yet, of course. Because I mostly model for 3D printing. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, you shared a cool printout of the Spider-Man head. Yeah, look very similar. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I think I remember that it's by Data Color brand. Oh, guys. Awesome stuff. I'm actually really proud. I've been working in Blender almost all day, next to doing the administration for the Q4 of 2023, so that's done too, so I'm happy. So yeah, cool. I'm going to save this thing because it crashed on me twice already, you know, doesn't matter. And yeah, I'm really proud. I'm going to render out the Huntress while I sleep and beyond, because I figured it's going to take 16 hours. Oh gosh. Last time I tried it, it was like 13 hours, and then I had a horrible a horrible video because I messed up the settings. I checked everything twice now, and hopefully it'll render okay. We will see, and otherwise, whatever. We'll try it again. Why not? And I'll proceed with this tutorial. I'm almost finished with the Max Hay. I wonder what he does in Photoshop. He's talking about the mist pass. He's using the mist pass. I don't know what it means, but it has something to do with the mist in there. Mist pass, I don't know. We will see. We're going to learn, and we'll see what happens. Okay, guys. We'll see how it turns out. Parts in the mail, and it should arrive in a few days. I'm creating a gun for Blade Runner 2049, including in. Oh wow, that is. Oh, Dr. Lovebox, thank you. So proud of you. Thank you. I'm so proud of you too. Thank you. That's so sweet. Thanks. Oh, cool. So you're recreating a gun. Okay, cool. So is it... Did you send it out for a 3D print or something? Mist pass is a way to simulate the depth of the render. Yeah, yeah, cool. Yeah, so I turned the mist pass on in the... What was it? I'm trying to remember. The mist pass on here in the data passes. Yeah, like here. Hold on. Ooh. Oh no! I have to scooch it over here. You know, here. So there it is, the mist pass. I had to turn that on. Max said so I did. And then something happens in the data that you can pick up in the Photoshop. That's what I think is going to happen. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So are you going to did you have the gun, the Blade Runner replica? Did you have that 3D printed or something? So cool. Awesome. I still need to play the game. I have the game. Not Blade Runner, but Cyberpunk. I still have that. I never played it, but I'm missing out, I'm sure. But just I need to mold it first, of course. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, awesome. Share the progress in the work in progress if you like. I'm really excited to see what happens. I will share the ball jointed doll that I'm creating too. She's in pieces right now. I still need to print her feet. I printed her hands today. Hold on. Look. Oh, so cute. Hi. So yeah. Guys, I am going into bed because it's at 12 already. It's midnight and I'm done. I'm officially baked. Take care. Have a good night. Thank you, Dr. Lovefox. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you. Such a big printer for such files. Yes, I know. Yeah, but her body is quite huge. Her hands are really small, but you know, whatever. Okay, guys. Thanks. Have a great night. Thank you for being here. Thank you for working together, co-working together. And on Friday, I won't be online because I'm having dinner with a friend. Yay! Looking forward to that. I haven't seen her for ages, so I'm really looking forward to that. So I'll be back on Monday with Pomodoro Sessions. Okay, guys. Thanks again. I love you all. And have a great weekend already. I know it's Wednesday, but hey, you know. And we'll talk to each other. We'll see each other on Discord in the meantime. Okay. Bye. Thanks. Bye-bye.